So in this video I'll be unboxing the JBL Flip 5. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unbox, bringing you tech unboxing reviews. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I list all the details and everything else I forgot. So let's jump into the unbox. So the JBL Flip 5. Let's see some features on the box. JBL Party Boost. You can connect more Party Boost compatible speakers, JBL speakers. 12 hours of playtime. We'll test that on a future review video. IP67 waterproof, and the Party Boost that we talked about. And let's dare to listen and dare to open it. Yes. Oh, it opens by itself, as you can see. It's really nice and easy. Okay, we have like two big stuff inside. Let's just take the small one. Okay, so we have some manuals, some stuff, some Chinese. I don't know what's that. Let's see what's this. Okay. The quick start guide and the cable as well. Quick start guide, play, Party Boost, JBL Connect. We'll install the app as well. How to charge it, and the waterproof. Yeah, so as you can see, it's for 30 minutes up to 1 meter underwater. And here we can see the specs. 20 watts, should be pretty loud. Okay, let's put this on the side. USB-C charging cable. Good length. Let's put this on the side as well, and let's get to the big stuff. Let's open the big box. The big reveal. So this is the JBL Flip 5. It looks really nice with this kind of fabric, like the other flips. JBL Flip 3 has this fabric as well, and it looks about the same but different. With this one, you don't have any covers with the USB-C on the port, which is a minus in my opinion, because you can, if you want to go on the beach or somewhere dirt might get in, and you'll have a hard time charging it. I really like this JBL logo here. Okay, so let's set this on the side and turn this on. The epic JBL sound. Now let's try and connect it. I have here an iPhone 6s Plus. As you can see, JBL Flip 5. Connected. So now we can go on YouTube. And let's play some songs. Okay, now let's try and connect the app as well. JBL Connect. Let's find and download the app. It seems like it doesn't have really good reviews. Not sure why, but we'll try it. So let's open the app. agree. Okay. So you can see we're already connected. Party, stereo. As you can see on this picture is 2 flip 5s. Anything else? Settings. And there's not much to do on the app, just like basic stuff. Just party, you can press the button for that as well. Party button. And stereo, connect to JBL Flip 5s because this one has just one speaker, so it will be mono. So you can connect two together to have it stereo. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the link in the description below if you want to buy the JBL Flip 5, and see you on the next one.